Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hope you are fine in these situations. So let's start our new topic, punctuation. It is in class ninth and 10th, but I think this topic is not for a particular class as it is applicable or compulsory topic for all the middle classes up to higher levels. So let's study about punctuation. What are the punctuation? What is punctuation? Students, punctuation means punctuation means the marks, signs that are commonly used in writing and printing to make the meaning of a sentence more clear. स्टूडेंट्स पंक्चुएशन वो साइंस वो कुछ निशानात होते हैं जो हम अक्सर राइटिंग या प्रिंटिंग में इस्तेमाल करते हैं टू मेक द मीनिंग ऑफ ए सेंटेंस मोर क्लियर ताकि हम अपने सेंटेंस का मीनिंग जो है वो उसको और अच्छे तरीके से क्लियरली बता सकें. This, these signs and marks are used to clear the meaning of a sentence. There are about 14 punctuation marks used. We are all familiar with these things, but here we will study the right use of them. Students, we this is not a difficult topic, but it is difficult when we write, when we have to use this punctuation marks it becomes something complicated. So here are some basic points we will discuss here to make it clear where are these 14 punctuation marks will be used. First one is capitalization, use of capital letters. It's a very simple. We know that first letter of the word at beginning of a sentence. First letter of the word वर्ड का पहला सेंटेंस का पहले सेंटेंस के पहले वर्ड का पहला लेटर कैपिटल होना चाहिए. ये हमने बचपन से पढ़ा है. और हम नाउन्स के सबसे पहले जो उसका वर्ड का जो नाउन का जो वर्ड लेटर शुरू होता है, नाउन जो शुरू होता है वो कैपिटल लेटर से शुरू होता है. और हमारी बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जैसे एब्रीविएशन हम कैपिटल में लिखते हैं. बहुत और भी बहुत सारे हैं लेकिन हम यहाँ पर जो छोटी छोटी चीजें मेन चीजें डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. नेक्स्ट इज फुल स्टॉप, यूज्ड एट द एंड ऑफ एन असर्टिव और इम्परेटिव सेंटेंस. ये हम असर्टिव या इम्परेटिव सेंटेंस के आखिर पर इस्तेमाल करते हैं. फिर ये इस्तेमाल कहाँ होता है? मार्क, एब्रीविएशंस एंड इनिशियल्स, या एब्रीविएशंस लिखते वक्त या इनिशियल्स लिखते वक्त. इनिशियल्स मीन्स, abbreviations means हमने लिखा SAT, it is a short form of Saturday. Other is DEC, this is a short form of December. It's BA, it's initials BA, Bachelor of Arts. It's an initial MA. MLA, it's an initial MLA, or we can say it abbreviation, Member of Legislative Assembly. Now the third punctuation mark is interrogatory or question mark. We are, we are very familiar with this punctuation mark used to ask questions. Used to ask questions. What's your name? Where do you live? In which class do you read? What do you do? How are you? And we after after writing these sentences, we use a question mark at the end of the question. The next one is comma. This is the sign, comma. First, where a pause is needed. We speak, we not continuously speak. We do not speak continuously. We need pause. So we need pause, we stop and continue our the way of talking. But in writing, we use comma. Separate parts of a sentence. She, for example, she is tall, lovely, and gentle girl. The next one is exclamatory mark. Exclamatory. This line and dot. shows expression of surprise or a strong feeling. This exclamatory mark shows the expression of surprise. As we know, the exclamatory mark is that which shows surprise, joys, feelings is a, or strong feeling. For example, how cold it is. Oh, कितनी सर्दी है. How cold it is. And we use this exclamatory mark at the end of the sentence. The next one is apostrophe. Apostrophe. Apostrophe means, but where it is used, someone possesses something. When we want to show that this thing is who is the owner of this thing, this car, this material. Someone possesses something. For example, this is Bilal's pen. ये बिलाल का पेन है. Some letters have been omitted. Some letters have been omitted. For example, can't for cannot. यहाँ पर हमने cannot का short form लिखा can't. Dash to introduce more comment. Dash is used to introduce more comment. For example, I like fruits, orange, banana, and we can continue with some more comments. Quotation marks are inverted commas. Quotation marks. These are the quotation marks. Here there's a sign. When it is used to show extract or words actually spoken. These are commonly used in narration, where we see that we we extract the exact words of the speaker. We extract we show the exact words spoken by the speaker. The next one is brackets. Brackets are brackets are used to add extra information. We use brackets where we have to show some extra information. For example, the First World War bracket 1914 1918 took millions of lives. First World War, which started from, this shows the more information that 1914 from where it started in 1918 when it ends. With it ends 1914 to 1918 took millions of lives. This is the more information about First World War, and we use here brackets. Now it is colon, used to introduce a list. I like three things. Writing, here we use colon. Writing, running and sleeping वगैरह वगैरह इस तरीके से. Semicolon, separate the main parts of a long sentence. Semicolon हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं जब हम किसी लंबे सेंटेंस को बड़े सेंटेंस को शॉर्ट कर रहे हैं, तो दो अलग अलग हिस्सों में डिवाइड करेंगे. Ellipsis. Ellipsis means indicating an omission. कुछ बात करते करते हम रुक जाते हैं. इसका मतलब ये होता है कि जिससे बात की जा रही है वो he will get it. Indicating an omission. For example, it is good but dash dash. Now it is slash, or we call it oblique. Used between alternatives. Alternatives. For example, he writes an application or she writes an application. Next one is hyphen. For example, we use this small dash between 20 and 1. 21. Co and education is we use this dash between co and education becomes the word co-education. So this is all about the this is all about, not all, this is some main points about the punctuation. Hope you will like this video. Please like this video, share and subscribe my channel for more informative videos. Thank you students.